Hi there, this is Penelope and this is a short video on a possible test question for MG5004 or DE5418. And what we're looking at here is finding the points of intersection of a plane with a line. Now just before we start, the plane should actually say P equals 2x plus y minus 4z equals 4. Okay, by substitution, we know what x, y, and z are, so we simply substitute them into P. So P is equal to 2, now x is equal to t, and y is equal to 2 plus 3t, minus 4 times z, which is t. And we need to solve that equal to 4. So that gives us that t is equal to 2. So our points of intersection with P are x, y, and z, such that x is now t is 2, so that would just be 2. Y is equal to 2 plus 3t, and when t is 2, that would be 8. And z is equal to 2, so that's also 2.